We got another mail call Monday. Package in the mail here. I think these are some cleaning supplies. I ordered some of them Tide Pods and they were gross, so I got some different stuff. Got this box here from CleanPacs. It's a better way to snack. Put that there. So I guess the idea here is that these are to save water, I guess. You start with these, it doesn't normally come with multicam, but you start with these bottles, I guess. And then the cleaner is in these way smaller single serving juice packs. So you would take one of these juice packs and fill it up into here. So now you're not paying for water and shipping and all that. Sounded like a pretty cool idea. So thanks Moon for sending these out. Let's see, looks like we got glass, kitchen, and bathroom. So couple of different types of cleaners. Like these are the concentrates. You got, actually these are pretty nice feeling bottles. So I'm guessing these are meant to last for a while and not just a single use of the thing. And there might be something else over here. Some of the laundry style ones in a bag here. So open these up. And again, single serving. And I guess the idea is probably to save water. So use one of these little bags. This is one of them for a load of clothes, any temperature. Yeah, very cool. So thanks again, Moon. I will check these out and point this here. And they're from CleanPacs. Thanks for watching.